be at Reed, such an influential school that really stands for the values of education and especially this model of liberal arts education. It is truly an honor.
I've been coming to the Forum for Advancing Reed for probably the last 6 years. I like volunteering because it keeps me involved in a community that I deeply care about. I get to meet other great alumni and engage with them in a different way than I typically do.
People have done such interesting things with their lives, with their Reed education. Many of them unexpected things. I feel like I've gone through, many similar changes too. So there's a certain kind of kindred identification. So that's the first thing I enjoy.
It's been really lovely to find out more details about how alumni are engaged in so many different ways. The thing that Reedies really like to do is think critically about all sorts of problems. So it's been wonderful to think through how we can engage with Reed in that same critical way with other Reedies and think about how we can give back to a place that means a lot to all of us.
Reed gave me so much of my time here. It gave me an education that I use every day. It gave me friendships that mean more to me than anything in the world. I find a lot of value in coming back and giving in a productive way. And you can really see your value going towards the school, and it really helps provide a way for me to give back.